Today I will introduce you to buy this rustic jewelry box from Doba. I have been very impressed with this jewelry box. I absolutely love the rustic color on it. It is really elegant. I love the size of this. Let me bring it a little bit closer so I can show you the details. It does have a 4-layer design here, which I love. If you go ahead and open this, it's the perfect spot to put necklaces, but this jewelry box is so amazing for all of your jewelry. And then I absolutely love the mirror right here. If you open it up here, you've got this large mirror, which is really nice. It can help you see what the jewelry looks like on you. It can help you pick your pieces out. Really nice for getting ready. And then you do have this wonderful organization right here on the top as well.